In the last video, we added the update feature to our Python app. Now we can select a name, change it, and update it directly in the database. We also reviewed how to delete names from the list. In this video, we'll complete the full CRUD functionality by adding a brand new feature, the Add button. Let's build it together. We start by adding a new button to the interface that says Add New Name. It looks just like our other buttons and sits right below the Update button. But a button alone doesn't do anything. So next, we define a function that runs when we click it. This function reads the text from our input field, makes sure it's not empty, and then inserts that name into our database. Once the name is added, it clears the entry box and refreshes the list so we can see the update immediately. Then we connect our button to this function using the command parameter, just like we did with the update and delete buttons earlier. This way, clicking the button actually triggers the add name function behind the scenes. We can add as many names as we want, and of course, we still have the power to update or delete any of them thanks to the buttons we built earlier. This app is shaping up nicely, and it's all built with just Python, Tkinter, and SQLite. In the next video, we'll keep improving it even further. See you there.